Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to delete a task in Jira. So this is very simple. First, navigate to the project where you want to delete your task. Now I would like to use a list view, so click on list. Now in order to delete this task, just simply click right here on this tick box and then select delete down here. Type delete if you want to delete your item and then simply click on delete. Now your item will be deleted. If you want to delete multiple items, just click multiple tick boxes, or if you want to delete all of them, just click right here and this will select all of the items. Click delete, type delete, press delete. It is really this simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.